Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to see about instance type, EC2 instance types, basically types of instance. Before starting, this is my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And this is part 12 of our AWS series. And before that, we have covered user data and EC2 website hosting and all. This is my LinkedIn. You can follow me here. This is my portfolio. You can check it out. And this is my GitHub. This is my GitHub profile. You can follow me there as well, and we'll connect. Okay, let's get back to our topic, what we are doing. So today's topic is EC2 instance type. So before starting this topic, let me fix one thing, like let me correct myself also. So every time if you are using any command in a user data, you need to use sudo. Why? Because sudo this user data, whatever this script we are running, it's run on a user data. Root user will run this script. So to give permission to run this script, root user need to add sudo. Okay, so basically what happen if you do manually, so first you need to give sudo -i, then you will enter into the root user, then you will do. But if you're writing the script and then you need to use sudo with each command, so that root user able to uh, execute these commands and all. Okay, so this is my correction from the last video, and let's get back to our topic, today's topic, which is EC2 instance type. Okay, and before starting, we'll see what is EC2 instance type. Okay, so let me go back to my console. So this is my new AWS account, and I will show you how the new AWS accounts look like actually. So it recently AWS has changed their pricing model for the free tier. Okay, now you will get the 100 credits, $100 for 6 months. Okay, for 6 months you will get $100. You can use it, and then it will charge you. Okay, so they have two plans actually. If I go to upgrade plan, and there you will get two plan. This is free tier, and one is some other plan. Okay, so if you are in a free plan, then you will get the $100. You can use it for 6 months. Yes, and apart from that, let's go with our EC2. Okay, we'll connect to, we'll search the EC2, and before that you can check the documentation as well. EC2 instance type, what is this instance type? Okay, so EC2 instance types are the purpose built configuration. So basically what they are saying, purposely you are building something, so that is instance type. Okay, purposely you are building, that is class you are defining. Okay, so that is what. And apart from that, you can check the documentation for the virtual server design with a different resources combination to help your application performance at their best. Okay, so before that we will see one thing. Okay, that is EC2 instance types, actually how the naming convention. Okay, if you go to EC2, okay, let me go. What I want to say is, if you go to EC2 and uh, 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 complete AWS registration. Okay, uh, something I missed, I believe. I need to do it again. Okay, we'll go with the theory only today. Okay, I believe now I'm able to access. No, okay, it will take 24 hours. Okay, no worries. So what I want to say is uh, something called, wait, let me search here, EC2 instance type. Yeah, and we'll go to images. You can see here. Okay, yes, this is the best image. Let me copy this one and paste it here. Okay, general purpose, compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, accelerated computer. We'll check about four. Okay, and we'll see what is A1, MG6, T3, T2, TA. Okay, but I want to see something else. Yeah, this one is good. Let me copy this one and upload it here. So what this M, in the sense instance type, 6 in the sense generation, and we have generation. Okay, what instance type in the sense if it is M. So basically M stand for me M stand for general purpose. We'll see what is general purpose. General purpose. Okay, and generally M stand for general purpose. Like that we have a different. We have compute purpose. Like for compute. Uh, hmm, for you we have compute optimized. Okay, and like that we have memory optimized. So for that each instance family we have different. For compute, I believe we start with C, and for memory it start with R, RAM. So you can notify like this. So if it is compute optimized, it will start with C something. Okay, so C6G like that. And if it is memory optimized, okay, and that will be start with R6G. Okay, that's how this instance family defined. Okay, and then we have a generation. So as of now it is 6 generation. Might be in future you will get this generation will be 7, might be 8, might be 9. So why this generation change? Like continuously this Amazon improve their instance. Okay, adding feature, adding security patches and all. So that's how the number increased. Okay, instance capability you can ignore, but this one is important, like 4x large. Okay, as of now this one is a 4x large. So apart from that we have something small. Okay, small, we have a medium medium and medium, and we have large, 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 and we have 2x large, like extra large. Apart from that we have few more, but still you can remember like this. Okay, we have the small, medium, large. So sometimes you have remember we mentioned T2 large. Okay, T3 T2 medium, T2 small, T2 small, fair, T2 micro, like that. Okay, so like that we have created our EC2 instance. If you remember, let me arrow it. Yeah, so that's how you can remember. So that is instance type classification, you can see. Okay, now we'll see about a general purpose. Okay, let me copy this one. Now we'll see EC2 instance type, which is general purpose. Okay, what this general purpose in a sense, or as a name suggests, general purpose in the sense it fit for everything. You can do anything. It is a kind of combination of, okay, we have a full stack developer which is a combination of front end, back end, and database. So kind of you can remember like it's a combination of compute, memory, and the network. So you will get everything, like if you need a memory you will get some better performance in memory, and for the network you will get the better performance for the network, but it's not for the heavy task. Okay, you can use, but still for that we have a different instance. Okay, so as of now you can see manage, like we have a combination of, let me text it here, combination of combination slash balance of. So basically it's a balance of compute, memory, and the network network. So that's what a general purpose do. And if I remember, I can say the name is for the name is T2 micro. Most of the time we remember like T2 purpose, like T2 and T3, like that. These are all the general purpose, okay, instance. And apart from that, we have compute optimize. Okay, compute optimize, let me write it down. Compute optimized. Okay, compute optimized, which is for the compute heavy task. If you are doing some high intensive work, then you need a high compute power. Okay, so like you are running some bash script which processing the data at a high speed and all, like machine learning modeling. So like that, for that at the time you need compute optimize. So if let me write it down, which is machine learning, machine learning, machine learning kind. Okay, then the media transcoding. Media transcoding matlab it's processing the image and all, video. So it's required a compute optimize. And then high performance, high performance web server, web server. So continuously it's broadcasting some any videos and all, then at the time you need a compute optimize. So basically you can see compute intensive task and require the high performance. If you require the high performance, then at the time you need this compute optimize. So let me write compute intensive task, intensive task, uh, high high performance, high performance, high performance. If you need, then you need to go with compute optimize. And if I take the example for this, we have something called we will get something like C 6G, like that you will get C5 simple one, and C4 like that. Compute optimize, you can remember C for the compute optimize, like that. And the third one is general purpose compute optimize. And then we have memory optimize. Okay, memory optimize, memory optimize. So basically memory optimize means you have a large set of data and now you need to process it. Okay, at the time you need memory optimize. Okay, basically you can say databases. Okay, in simple word if I say. So let me write it down here. Okay, so high uh, db db task. If you need to do, then you need memory. Okay, and then the real time processing, real time processing. Okay, if you're doing, then at the time you need memory optimize, basically you can say. So what at what time you need? So if I mention process large data set, then at the time you need memory optimize. Okay, and if I say the example, for example we have R4. Okay, RAM, then X1 we have, then R6G. Oh, these are the examples. Okay, it will look like this. So like this we have T2 micron. You can see you will get like this R4 dot extra large X1 dot, like that you will get. So that is what memory optimization. Apart from that, we have storage optimization. Okay, so this one is also kind of memory related only, but for the storage optimized. And basically this one is for read and write operation. If you need to do read and write it very intensively. Okay, so at that time you need this kind of instance, storage optimized. So high read and write, if you need to do, then you need this kind of. Okay, so like if I say the example relational db. Okay, and we have no SQL DB. Okay, and data warehouse applications. Okay, data warehouse application. Basically Amazon also provide this data warehouse application service. We'll see later what is that. And we have cache, because when you use cache you need a fast response from the DB. Okay, within a microsecond you need access, you need to access that data. So the cache, okay, uh, best example is Redis, you can say, for the cache purpose. So it will look like this. Let me, okay, this one is error. Okay, Redis. And the example, if I took example, if I say we have something called L3D2, yes, D2 and D3 kind of H1. So these are all the example of this storage optimize. So this is what all instance. If you go here at the top, you can say storage optimize. We have H1, D2, general purpose, T2, T3, like that, and we have compute optimized, okay, memory optimized. So these are all the things instance type. So basically, why you need to learn about this instance type is when you create your instance, okay, when you do any project, so you should be aware which type of instance I should use for my best performance, so that I will get the best performance, best result. Okay, so that's how you can figure it out. A few more criteria are there to select the instance. Okay, it's depend project to project, but these are the few things which you can keep in mind, and then you can select your instance. So we'll see. Next is security group in the upcoming videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, Bucket Flow. You can reach out LinkedIn and via my portfolio as well. You can follow me on GitHub. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.